Hey.
Whoa.
Crazy. And Belle's like, what was that? Hey, hey. It's okay, Belle.
Okay, Ellie.
The dog's awake.
Sit.
You got me. I don't even watch the dog.
You don't want to watch the fireworks? You want to watch the dog?
Isaiah.
Dang, those are the pretty ones.
I know, right?
Have any more?
Eric is so proud of himself.
Maybe.
Madeline?
You want a light one?
No. It's too dangerous.
It's, he just lit off the firecrackers. Apparently he was doing it at his own house.
Yeah.
Come here.
Okay, Grandma, I can run fast.
Isaiah.
Exciting. He's 6. It's exciting.
I know, but it's dangerous.
That's not dangerous. Because that's not how I'm doing it.
See that? I was not right here.
Belle, it's all right. Hey.
I know, I'm scared too, Bella. You want to go in? Want to go in? Come on. What? I'm just letting her in.
Down.
She's scared.
It made it fall down.
It's okay.
Yeah.
It's okay.
There you go. I just saw a vampire bat fly up over the garage.
Yeah, I saw a bat too. Woo.
Gotta save some for next week.
No. Let's do some of the other kind.
The other kind? We'll do one of the one sticks.